Have you ever stopped to think about how that phone coffee mug or even your favorite pair of sneakers actually gets into your hands? I'm not talking about clicking buy now and waiting by the door. Nope. I mean the secret journey that product takes, winding its way across continents, factories, and warehouses before it lands in your living room. That, my friends, is the power of supply chain management. So, what even is supply chain management? SCM for short. Imagine a giant relay race. At the starting line, you've got raw materials, maybe cotton for your shirt, cocoa for your chocolate, or silicone for your phone. Each of those bits and pieces gets sourced, then handed off to the next runner, manufacturers. They shape, mold, and assemble everything into the product you want. But it doesn't stop there. Next up, warehouses and distributors step in. They store the goods, sort them, and get them ready to be shipped out. Sometimes these products crisscross the globe, by ships, trucks, maybe even planes, just to reach your neighborhood store or doorstep. By the time you open that box, your stuff has traveled thousands of miles, passed through dozens of hands, and survived all kinds of twists and turns. SCM is the mastermind behind that epic journey. Here's the magic: supply chain management isn't just about moving products around, it's about making everything run like a well-oiled machine. That means planning what needs to be made, sourcing the best materials, producing efficiently, moving things swiftly, and delivering on time. Each step is carefully coordinated to cut costs, avoid waste, and make sure you get what you want, when you want it. Think about it. When the supply chain runs smoothly, you get fresh groceries, the latest gadgets, and your favorite snacks, all at prices you can afford. But when it doesn't, things get messy: empty shelves, late deliveries, and higher costs. That's why companies invest millions in smart supply chain management. It keeps customers happy, businesses growing, and the world spinning. So next time you unwrap a new gadget or enjoy a morning coffee, remember, you're part of a global adventure. Supply chain management connects factories, trucks, ships, and shops to bring your favorite things right to your fingertips. It's the invisible force that shapes the way we shop, eat, and live, one package at a time. And if you've ever bought anything, congratulations. You've already experienced the supply chain in action. Pretty cool, right?